of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This one is $15 going 7 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just got the next order. This is going to be Donut Nook. $7 going 5 miles. Hello. Got the next order right away. This is Seize the Bagel. $8 going 5 miles. Hello. For Lily?
Lily?
Yeah.
Here you are. Thank
you.
you.
Next order up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one is $13 going 7.5 miles.
DoorDash come back. Have a good day.
We got a Starbucks. This one is $6 and change going 2 miles. Thank you. Hello. For Josh?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, awesome. Thank you very much.
You have a good day. Thank you. I got the next order while I was in there. This one's a Chick-fil-A, $9 going 6.5 miles. Thank you. You as well. There better be a good tip on this because there is nowhere to park anywhere nearby that won't get me towed. So that was all base pay. Interesting. Got the next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $9 going 2 miles, only one item.
This one?
I believe so. Yeah. And then just a scribble on that line for me. Yep. Good enough for me. Just got the next order. This is a Voodoo Donut, $10 going 7 miles. Thank you.
Have a great one.
You as well. Next order up, we've got a Dom Pedro. This one is $10 going 3 miles. Oh, and they just gave me an add-on order. This is an additional $7 going an extra 3 miles. Both of those were pretty much ready on time, which I was honestly expecting to wait on both of them. So this is turning out to be pretty good. Oh, wow. It showed me the total for that first order, and it turned out to be $14. $14 for, what was it, like 3 miles? That is huge. Thank you very much. What the? Total for that one was $13. So that means that stack was what? $27 for 6 miles? That is insane. Oh, and we can't forget, got some candy out of it too. Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one is $10 going 4.5 miles.
This is Ronnie right here.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good day, guys.
Two. Next up, we've got a Burgerville. This one's $8.50 going 3 miles.
Start for that's in the back for you.
Gotcha. Thank you.
I'll plug you in and come to the elevator outside the lobby.
I don't know what she said. We've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 going 2.5 miles.
It's like you just pick. Hi, welcome in.
Hello. Thank you. You too. Next order up is a Burgerville. This one is $7 going 3 miles.
Why do we still have the puppy?
Thank you. You too. All right, I'm gonna call it here. Oh, actually, almost forgot again. Gotta make sure there's no needles or syringes in this candy bar. Ow. Yep, tasted safe to me. Current time is 10:21. Current total is 124. And I'm waiting on 2 Uber tips, which should bring it up to, I think, 137. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.